Nice name. So I don't know what it is. So let me just. This is a set of Lego, and this is not just any Lego. This is a Harry Potter Lego. So wow, so cute. Like literally cutest, I would say. And Lego version. So if you have a Lego toy and you can actually make Lego films, and this is how people started making Lego films. Now it's a very big franchisee, and this is Harry Potter 6. There is a probability to get fixed base plate distribution. Okay, probably to get this. Then there is Slytherin, Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff, Gryffindor, Harry Potter. The logo looks nice. Everything looks amazing. पीछे की तरफ देखते हैं. These are all the 21s. Product showcase warning. ये I think कुछ Egyptian या Arabic में लिखा हुआ है. This is made in China. Harry Potter product showcase, and this is how it looks. So, da da da. And I'm like मेरे को बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है देख के ऊपर से. तो let's just open it up one, and I'm just rushing with ideas कि कितनी सारी. Oh, so it comes in like this. ऐसा पूरा नहीं निकलता है. Okay, so it comes in like this. Wow, thank God they have given the sets already. So I thought कि वो नहीं देंगे, मतलब साइड का नीचे का जो प्लेट रहता है ना उसके हिसाब से. तो it's cuter and nicer that way कि they have given. I can't tell you how good this is. Can't keep my excitement. So this is Harry Potter. This is how it looks, and every one of them looks amazing. And let me start with this. This is, I think, oh God, am I that old कि मेरे को याद भी नहीं हो रहा. And every one of them get with the base plates. This is another one. All of them. And this is, and इसका नीचे का पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया. So I'll just do one thing. I'll zoom it in. To let's begin with this one. So this is my first case, and I'll just keep this side so you can see it properly, like no destruction, thanks to my very good camera. I think this is Hermione, and Hermione ka head, like everything is, so it's like a classic Lego where you can just change switch and like switch head gears and things. So अगर आपको किसी के साथ उसका head gear करना है, and then these are the things like you can manage, and you can actually put them in the hand and you can play with it like this. And this is walkable, so classic Lego things, and hands are ऐसे वाला. तो you can make a very good stop motion. बट अभी AI का ज़माना है, तो ये भी कहीं ऑटोमेट ना हो गया हो प्रॉबली. एंड देन हेड्स यू कैन रोटेट. तो यू कैन रोटेट विथ ऐसे भी एंड विद द हेड गियर. तो थोड़ा ध्यान से कि आपको थोड़ा माइन्यूट करना है, एंड यू कैन मेक अ लेगो. एक्चुअली वो 3D में ही था, फिर उन्होंने दे यूज्ड अ ट्रिक. बट दिस इज़ हाउ हरमाइनी लुक्स. एंड let me just, I think all the Lego ka size is standard always that I know of. So if I just tell you ki kitna hai, about 43 millimeters, so 4 centimeter के आसपास है. and all of them has a standard size, like ताकि 23, ताकि वो नीचे का उसका क्यूब रहता है ना अपन का, तो उसमें फिट हो सके. और ये इसका नहीं है. so this is, I think, किसी और का है. and this is a base. Why I'm so slow? And this is, oh wow, everything is a set. तो अगर मैं इसको ऐसे करूँ, तो अगर मैं इसका सेट निकाल दूँ, तो I can actually fit them here. So ऐसा दो, and just fit, and you can just put it in a case like this, and it becomes a collectible toy. So that's for sure. And let me go through the other ones. This is, I forgot what it is. So this is how it looks, and headgear निकल जाता है हमेशा. So this is not so sure. Hands moves. This is the second one, and like that, let's go one by one. I think this also, for this is also, I don't know, इसका भी हेड गियर गायब है, मतलब है कि इधर की तरफ पड़ा रहेगा. एंड और हर किसी के हाथ में ये फंस जाता है. तो इट्स लाइक अ वेरी लिटिल टाइनी टॉय. एंड थैंक्स, मेरा कैमरा आज बहुत सही काम आया कि दैट आई शुड डू दिस काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. एंड ये पहले वाले आईफोन में तो बिल्कुल भी पॉसिबल नहीं था. like very good to play. And let me go, I think this is this is dress say this is Gryffindor. Sorry guys, अगर मैं फैंडम वाले मेरे को खा जाएंगे अगर मैं ऐसा मतलब कुछ भी उल्टा सीधा बोल रहा हूँ. So and then I like this in a way. I put this. So this is how it looks, and this is good way to rotate. So ये हो गए चार, and let's keep it aside. Let's take the another set and let's put this. This is also, I don't know, there is a cap, and let me put this. Now this is how it looks. It looks nice when you put a plate. It's like a bigger one, so I think you would need a single kind of a plate, like a bigger plate, and that's how it looks. If I could have a, again I will go with this, so this way I can actually rotate and show you the things. So this is how it looks, and it has a bigger plate, so it fits. There are, I think there are bigger plates also. Like अगर मैं इसको ऐसे डालूं, I think somehow I have to figure it out. There must be a different plate set for this probably, but सबके लिए है, तो every चार का एक plate set है. And let's keep this. I think this is that you can imagine anything and you can make. So this is, I think, Luna Love Good वाला मेरे को लग रहा है, but not so sure. Please let me know in the comments. This is, God, this is going very I have to wrap like quickly. This is no idea. And let me just quickly run it through because बहुत सारे हमें cover करने हैं. So this is also, I don't know. This is no idea. And everything is a standard size, like थोड़ा सा छोटा बड़ा है. This is तो definite नहीं, this is Slytherin, Harry नहीं हो सकता. So I'm just going through because I have to run quickly. This is whoever it is, up to you. This is definitely Hermione, and she has cute red hands. Like, just look at it. So that is one nice thing. Then this is again no idea, but this is how it looks from the sides, back, and this is also, I have no idea. Let's get through. He's the guy who was in How to Get Away with Murder, and every one of them, it's like detachable. You can, that's the part of the Lego. He's the guy who is in How to Get Away with Murder. He's Wolverine wala, probably. Then this also, I don't know. बहुत टाइम हो गया भाई देखे हुए. दिस इज तो उसमें फर्स्ट वाले में द मैड आई गाय, वो उसको सब बुरा समझते हो, बाद में अच्छा निकलता है. और मैंने सब हिंदी वाले ही देखा है भाई, तो डोंट जज मी. सो ये हो गया. देन किसी किसी में ये वाले स्टार्स हैं, मतलब एक्सेसरीज वाले. सो एंड बहुत जल्दी आराम से निकल आता है. आई थिंक दिस आर ऑल द ओरिजिनल पीसेस, एंड दिस इज मोस्ट लाइक अ कलेक्टेबल थिंग. दिस इज द क्लासिक लेगो. दिस इज तो पक्का हैरी रहेगा. ग्लासेस वो सब, ग्रिफिंडोर का वो भी है, तो दैट्स फॉर श्योर. एंड देन दिस इज लुक्स लाइक बैटमैन वाला कुछ, बट लेट मी टोपी पहना देते पहले इसको तो. सो दैट्स हाउ इट लुक्स नाइस. देन this guy we already took. This is, have no idea. And lot of the accessories, like lot of them has this. I have no idea. Please let me know in the comments. जितना मैं fit कर सका उतना मैंने fit किया है. This is also, I don't know. This also, I don't know. मतलब सबके ऐसा करके you can make a set out of it, kind of a thing. And this is तो Hermione we already saw. So ये सारा का सारा ये है total. हाँ, मैं बताता हूँ total कितने हैं. About 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24, total 24. सबके base plates हैं. Then there is this another accessories I need to check what this is used for. तो थोड़े हाथ का ही टूटे हुए, but all the Legos are adjustable. Some of them has a wizard hat also. Like there is a wizard hat. This is another accessories. I can actually swap it up with, suppose this, so I can swap it up with the wizard hat, so that becomes a, see, so everything is up to your imagination. Link in the description for this. Bye bye. Thank you.